We will see. We will meet you in the court. Okay. Don't arrange for anything. Don't sleep in your house, please. Take rest. You have done lot of.
हम यहाँ मजाक कर रहे हैं सब लोग रोके रोके
You have done lot of work for us. Thank you very much for all the good things that you have done. We will look somebody to take care of us. All of us. Don't sleep with your wife.
How soon can you give us a flight disruption statement right now? And what news on the refund? No, wait.
The refund we'll get for sure. Of course, that's true.
There's a 6 hour delay.
Yes.
Where is the information to that? I need proof.
Will you give
Work
an
on that
assurance
right now.
verbally?
Each of us need a confirmation that you are going to give us a refund since it's more than 6 hours. Right?
And how are you compensating
now,
apart from the
after
refund?
6 hours, you're supposed to give us accommodation or make our bloody stay a little more comfortable. We are dying on these chairs here. Think of our backs, yo. I'm on my period. I'm a woman on my period. I can't sit here. I've been sitting here since 8 in the evening. Okay, is there a little consideration?
You go. Please go. Sleep.
You take your time, do something about it, come back.
Don't sleep.
Okay,
All,
give us some
all
information.
of you don't sleep. We will, whether we die or not, still alive or not, come at 8 o'clock and sleep. Okay? Go home.
Till then, we'll try surviving it.
Okay.
Thank you so
Go
much
home.
for your help.
For all the things that you have done.
Great job, you
All
are
the-
doing
all the-
fantastic airport. Baby, you're proud.
Go and meet with your wife.
Yeah.
Enjoy.
Go back to your families, hug them, say, you're...
And a bus
They
there.
have made
We'll be
about
away from our
300 people
families, yeah?
suffer and die.
No.
Okay?
Don't keep saying no, don't keep saying I know. Now, what I want you to do is give me information on my refund, my whole refund that I'm supposed to give, as well as what you're going to do to make it easier. Because of all the cancellation, all the delays that you guys are doing, we have to spend money to feed ourselves at airport prices. Okay? Are you even thinking, you guys gave us food ka boxes, huh? Did you try eating it yourself?
We didn't even
Did you try eating it yourself?
I have that.
It's drier than the Sahara.
As it is.
I wouldn't feed that to my dog.
Keep it for your
Now, if we want to really feed ourselves, because we've been sitting
Dogs
here
also
for
do
hours
this.
and hours and hours, you are literally, it's not even a 12-hour wait. It's more than a 12-hour wait. Do you realize? Do you realize what you're putting us through? This is mental, emotional, physical torture.
Yeah,
You are
exactly.
torturing your customers. This is absolute blatant torture.
No, it's all useless. Let you all please go home.
Yeah, you go back to your families, please. We'll sit here, we'll scratch our asses and do nothing here. While you guys torture us, please go back to your families. Go, go. Go live your life. Be happy.
Please go.
There's no
go
point
home.
of you being here.
We don't want to see your faces.
You're only
No, no,
saying
no.
we are facing. Where is the information? Where is the information?
No. We don't want to see your faces. At least do that favor of not showing your faces to us. Go home.
Like, at least.
Because anyway, you also 8 घंटे तक क्या करने वाले हो? 8 बजे तक क्या करने वाले हो आप? यहाँ पे मुंह दिखा के आप भी मुंह टंगा के रहे हो, हम भी पागल हो रहे हैं वहाँ पे. We have been waiting here. I literally came from Shillong. Okay, 3 hours. 3 hours on road. I have literally left from Shillong from 4:30. I reach here from 8 o'clock. I've been waiting here. You guys have done nothing to make the whole thing easier on us. Every single time we come there, talk to you, you give us a completely different summary. You give us a different, a completely different explanation of what's happening, when we're going to do everything. We have been listening to empty promises from 9
Like
p.m.
politicians.
9:30 to 10:30 and then
9.
11:30 and then
Is there
now
any-
it is 8 a.m.
Do
in
you
the
know
morning.
what you're doing to
They are
us?
postponing the schedule so
If
much.
you do, then what the hell are you doing? You're nodding your head saying, yes, we know what you're doing to you. You don't care. There are children, there were children throwing up there.
Oh,
There was a child throwing up, there's a pregnant woman, there's a woman on her period, there's older people, all kinds of people, and they're all exhausted.
No, you shoot us. That is better. Please.
We don't
Do
need
it.
protection, we want to go home, darling.
No.
Protect yourself.
You go with your
भेज दो
gun
हमें.
and shoot all of us.
पैसा लेके यहीं पे
That will solve all our problems.
Abhi, our luggage is also gone. We have to sit our asses here because we want to go back till 8 a.m. Do you realize this is like jail for us? Understand and do what?
It's these guys. These guys.
अरे हम तो 6 बजे से बैठे हैं
Understand, all of you are saying understand. Nobody is doing anything about it. Itna understanding of all of you, so understanding. You're fantastic, very understanding.
We don't
But
see you will dirty face, something face.
everybody is losing their shit.
Okay. Tell us one thing.
Do something about it, some
Do you have
compensation.
the authority to even speak? Or is it someone else?
You're just here to face our
Why are you wasting our time? Have someone else who is senior, who can take control.
Then just go away.
Bring someone who can do something.
Yeah,
Can you please
That is right. They can't do anything.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಇವ್ರು ಕೇಳ ಬೇರೆ ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಬರ್ರಿ ಹಂಗಂದ್ರೆ
ಬೇಡ ಹೋಗ್ರಿ ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ರಿ ಬೆಚ್ಚ ಬಂದು ಹೋಗ್ರಿ ಕೈಲಿ ಏನಾಗಲ್ಲ
Yeah, just get your
So then get someone who can actually do it. No, what is the point of that?
Manage everything.
What are you doing?
Person should be there.
You're wasting your time, you're wasting our time, you're getting shouted at by us. Send someone who can do something about it. You're just listening to us and promising to move mountains.
Just speak with them. No use. I understand.
अभी बोल रहे हैं 8 बजे
Please get somebody who can.
मुंह से निकलता
Get someone who can
निकलता
Person who can move mountain. Get a person who can move mountain. That's so inhuman.
They're just here to absorb our
The children are losing their shit running around like this. It's not healthy for them also, no?
And you know
You
there's
guys are only saying sorry.
3 days after going back.
At that time, you guys will come and take care of it. So what?
We didn't do anything. There was the point of standing here in front of them, like the crowd, and also just be ashamed. Of
Yeah, it is a
yourself.
serious
That's not branded actually.
Get them. Get the
If you
one
can't do
who is responsible,
anything,
please.
get them here right now.
By the way, we had some query for your manager. Where did he go?
Just as a representative.
So you are waiting for him to come back?
उसको बुलाइए जो है
So please, जो हेड है उसको बुलाइए हम लोग बात करेंगे आप लोग कैसे बोल सकते हैं जो 8 बजे मिलेगा 9 बजे मिलेगा
फालतू में बोल के
कैसे
हम लोग रात भर उधर क्या करेगा बताओ
He's the one who has to fund it. I'm literally telling them, medicine I need to take it back. Then it's not to do with it. The airport is the worst airport I've ever seen in my life.
तुमने अब 7 मिनट का था सोशल मीडिया डायरेक्ट
This sir should speak.
But you guys should have already arranged somebody else. You know that they are coming here.
No, that's the thing, no. We as customers, we know the process. We are telling you what should have been done.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತು
This is the hospitality, right? You guys are supposed to be hospitality trains. What hospitality are you showing here? I'm from the service industry too. I know how we treat customers and I know how you guys are trained. This is not what you train for. No, throughout this airport I saw this.
This one, right? Because according to DGC, even 6 hours of delay, 5 hours of delay means 5 hours of delay, you should provide accommodation. 6 hours of delay, you should provide.
Exactly.
On this spot,
Exactly.
Follow that.
on this
You're supposed to give us food vouchers, you're supposed to give us accommodation, you're supposed to give us a refund. Where is the information on that? We should be begging for stuff that you are always how weak it is. You're sick of going back. Not done.
We are still waiting for your manager to
Go
come
get
back.
your senior get someone to come
Please call him. Please
I
call
don't
him.
want the answer. I want to know who is going to sort this compensation for us.
No, they can't. They can't do anything. Somebody who has the authority to do something.
Absolute nonsense.
They are not authorized to do anything.
The worst airport by far.
Why the hell you came? Waste.